I'm going to show you how to make a center for a sunflower wreath, and all you need is a floral foam from Dollar Tree and a nautical rope from Dollar Tree. I want my center to be darker, so I'm going to take Anita's Earth Brown acrylic paint that I got from Hobby Lobby, and I'm going to dab paint on this after I get it on the foam. Find the center of the foam, put a little bit of glue there, and hold that right there until the glue starts to harden. Put a little glue there and bring this around to start. This is what the center looks like so far after gluing the nautical rope to the foam disc. I glued it to itself. I didn't glue it on the side of the foam disc, and I'm not worried about that showing because of the way I plan on doing the petals on the sunflower I'm going to make. It will hide that, but if you're concerned about that, you can paint that, or you can take some more nautical rope and glue it around that, or even you don't have to glue it to itself. You can just take it around the sides. But I did this because I wanted it to be wider than the disc. Next thing I'm going to do is take this paint and dab it all over this to make it a darker brown. Here's the finished center. I sprayed the Rust-Oleum matte clear on it to seal it, to keep the paint from running if it gets wet when it rains. I will be recording a tutorial of me using this center on a sunflower I'm planning on making, and I'll be making the sunflower on the Dollar Tree bicycle wheel frame. Don't forget to follow me so you'll be notified when I post that tutorial. Remember to save this video so you'll be able to find it if you want to make this center for your own sunflower.